Today we're going to bring a tumbling composter. Now this one's for your compost. If you have a garden or you're planning to do a garden, great to have one of these. Now in the future, now that we're going to start packing more vegetables and fruit and leftovers into composting, this is a great way to help the environment. So we're going to put it together, including with the instructions. They include all the parts. There's a lot of parts to it, including the actual Phillips, so you can put it together, and some exquisite gloves. So let's put this together and see how it works. All right, so we have A all around and B and C is going in here. Now we're going to start with the top. Do the same thing on the other side with this side. That's it. All right, so we screw in the actual bar and we send it across, and this one actually goes in here, and then we set up the next one, and we also set up this piece here corner on the other one too. So just make sure you're aware of that. All right, so here we have it already completed. Right, easy to spin with, plenty of ventilations in here. So just make sure you're a little bit above it and putting your compost in here. It has to air stream through here, right? So make sure that you close it after. You can lock this in place, spin them, mix everything like a tumbler. You could go the opposite way, either direction. They spin properly, very easy, secure. You can lock these in place by lowering it down. They lock in here. Same thing. What I end up doing is opening on this side. You guys can see me open this one. It's much easier for me to dump things in there and make it work properly. They do have these locks stations here that you can lock it in so it won't spin. Locks in place. It's ready to spin. This is the size. You guys can see. Close this out. Close this one out. And it's pretty much, I'm like 6 feet tall. It's short. It fits in any corner of your garden. It's eco-friendly, so you could throw in a lot of compost, not just soil, but other objects. Make sure it's cardboard and biodegradable before you throw it in here. All right, once you grab your compost, you throw it all in here, all right? The system itself, just make sure that if it's leaking, it's gonna leak, but properly goes fine. So one of the great things about this thing is how simplicity it is to set it up and close it. And once you close it up, you start spinning. And that's how simple it is, just to get all the compost mixed around. And so far, so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.